Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a Huawei Mate 30 with a cracked back cover and a cracked display. So let's get to fixing right now. Let's go. So this Huawei Mate 30 came to our shop with a broken display and it's not working. It's not showing us anything. The back cover is also cracked but still intact. So we have to remove that first. And we put our prying tool here. It's very thin, but I think this has been opened before. Look at the adhesive on the back cover. It looks like a combination of a clear adhesive and some adhesive tapes from the factory. Later on, we will clean that up so that we can properly install the back cover without any gaps. We will unscrew some screws on the mainboard cover. We are marking some screw holes because the screws used for this unit is not uniform. Some are short, some are long. And we'll pull this out. We have connections here for the display, the battery, and the touchscreen. So the touchscreen right here will be connected to this connector. And we'll see if it's gonna show us something, and it does show us something. So at this point, the touchscreen is on the actual screen at the back. You can see there, it's reacting to our touch. So there's two connectors. One is for the LED display and one is for the touchscreen. And this is just for testing. We'll see if our replacement display here is working. It's currently in good condition, but we can operate it with the actual touch functionality still on the original display. So the broken display is still registering some touch, but not fully, but it's not showing us anything on the display. So we'll continue with our disassembly, where we will remove the front cameras. We have two here. Also remove the SIM card tray. And once this is all done, we'll detach the antenna cables. Once this is all done, we will remove the camera, the main camera for the rear. We have connectors for that one. So bits of parts are coming off the device, and eventually the main board will come off right there. And we'll remove everything. We will remove the display. So the display connector still needs to have some components removed. These are very tiny, by the way. Lots of screws already on the bench. And we have to remove the battery because there's a connector underneath the battery that's for the display. Right there. You have to pull it out. There you go. So broken display is now out of the phone housing. We pull out our replacement display. It's brand new. We have plastic all over it. And we'll install it. But first we have to prep the housing. It's got some adhesive residue and maybe shards of glass. We'll also inspect it for any bends on the opening where the display will actually make contact with the housing. So David is very meticulous, scraping off all the adhesive and wiping it down with IPA. There you go. It's now clean. Not too clean. We have to remove the adhesive residue. This is how David does it. It's actually very amazing how this technique works. After this, the housing will be spotless. IPA, wipe it off. and we will apply our own liquid adhesive. So this adhesive is not really rated for any waterproofing. It's just enough so we can install the front display into the housing and make it stick for the duration of the phone's life. So if you are expecting your smartphone to be waterproof, this is not it. And especially if your smartphone is not even rated from the factory. So this adhesive is enough for what the client is gonna use this smartphone for. We have installed display onto the housing. We will attach the connectors for the display and the touch screen. There you go. So we reverse the process. We put back the main board, SIM card tray, and then the main camera. Other bits and pieces that we have removed, and we will test it for all components, the touchscreen, the battery, charging port, buttons, everything before we hand it back to our client. So if you're interested in having a Huawei Mate 30 screen replacement or battery replacement, just head over to Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We are offering smartphone repairs for other brands as well, for iPhones, Asus, Samsung, and David will offer you the best price for that repair, and it's gonna be a fraction of the cost of a brand new device if you're planning to just replace the device, which we don't recommend. We recommend that you fix your existing smartphones, especially if you have data on the smartphone that you are planning to get fixed. And of course, it's gonna save you a lot of money. It's gonna save the environment, especially if the battery is still good. You can still use your device for 1 or 2 years, just like this one. Brand new screen, fraction of the cost of a Huawei Mate 30. Huawei Mate 30 is quite an old phone, but you can still use it. It's still functional. It's got decent specs, and it's not gonna get old anytime soon. Technically, it's old, but if you're just using it for calls, social media, you can just rock this phone until it completely dies on you. And we will reinstall the back cover properly this time. It's been prepped and cleaned up. There you go. New back cover as well. So thanks for joining, guys. I hope this inspired you to fix your smartphone, and we'll see you again next time. Like and subscribe. Take care of yourself. Have a wonderful day. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're with my